Hello guys, we are back on another Dickens video where today we're doing something a little bit different. Okay, it's not gonna be different. We are doing a really long, I think I'm gonna try to keep up with, what did I just click on? Stunt car racing, yo! Ow, really AC. Do you have to do that stupid thing every time? Don't even start being unconnected. Stay connected. Got me? Hey, Spirit, this is the fun part. I'm keeping on the eye on the connection. Nobody's gonna unconnect me. Whoa, stupid hell, crazy. See if I can make it over there. Without running out of boost. And feeling too much. Ouch. Let's get up this baby, shall we? I'm checking that thing. What? Do I have to be stupid and stare at that thing the whole time while we are making a video? It's so problem. I'm not gonna have any videos if that keeps happening. It gets even more crap ass stupid. Ouch! They're just a pain in the car. I'm watching you, connection. Come on, boost this. We're turning. Maybe not. That's what keeps messing it up. Probably that. Maybe it's not. Depends on stupid. Oh, that was almost. Do you have to get boosted down? Let's get moving. Okay, it's all good. Ouch, that hurts. So damn hurts. Out of my way, little chickens. I'm trying to get through, trying to make a perfect video for everyone to enjoy. Yes, give me that boost, give me the boost, give me this, give me the lots and tons of boost. Ooh, pumpkins. broken airplane. You know about that, guys. Broken plane, plane. The reason why I really love doing the second stunt videos, I want you guys to enjoy car jumping, womp attacks, airplane jumping, and full tons of sports in your mind of sitting, watching, not being rude, just saying. I don't know, that was creepy magic. I just want you guys to enjoy and love your inspection on my videos. Don't you dare knock me off! Why? Just why? Poor thing, you have to knock me off. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'm going to have to make it short because if it goes long, the thing will cut it out. Because I think it will. I don't know why. Okay, I hope you like and subscribe to do this. And even try to make a video and copy me. Do not. I'm gonna get super mad with you guys. Don't do it. Like and subscribe. Paul Hume. Search the definitions. Watch it immediately if Dan Tidia makes another certain Santa video. Goodbye, guys, and I hope I see you in Stunt Car Racing Video 3. This is Video 2. Goodbye. Yes, stunt in your ass.